This is a 90-second practice question. You are the project manager for the Blue Banana project. The project will affect several lines of the business and controversy on the project deliverables already abounds. You have 45 key stakeholders on the project presenting internal customers from all areas of your organization. Which with this many stakeholders, what challenge will be the most difficult for project success? A. Communication. B. Managing stakeholder expectations. C. Managing scope creep. Or D. Coordinating communication between the project manager, project team, and project stakeholders. And the correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option B. Managing stakeholders' expectations. On the project with 45 key stakeholders, the project manager must work hard to engage stakeholders' expectations given the impact of the project and identified controversy. The project manager will need to proceed with caution to ensure the project deliverables meet required expectations of the stakeholders. Option A is incorrect as the communication may be the most time consuming activity for this project. It is not the most difficult part to manage. Option C is incorrect because managing scope creep can be controlled through an effective change control system. Scope creep may be an issue, but it is likely not the largest issue with a number of key stakeholders. Option D is incorrect because communication between the project manager, the project team, and stakeholders will be covered by the communications management plan. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.